Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you my old Southern chicken salad. It is delicious, so you have to try this recipe. I haven't made it in a long time, but I'm hoping that you will make it real soon because it's getting hot outside here in Texas, and I love eating cold sandwiches like chicken salad and tuna salad. Okay, and I'm using my scissors to chop up the meat. Now, if you have another method of chopping up your meat, let me know in the comment section. But I find this to work good for me because the chicken was cold when I took it out of the refrigerator. So I took all the skin off of it. That's what's in this bag here. And I just use the scissors. It's really easy for me, but let me know and let me know how you make your chicken salad, okay? All right, so let me get started with the ingredients. You can already see I have Duke's real mayonnaise on the counter here. And I have my celery, onions, oregano, minced garlic. I have a little pepper flakes there, thyme, and black pepper and salt. So that's what I'm gonna be adding in here. I have some concentrated lemon juice that I'm gonna add in a little bit. And all of the ingredients will be in the description box, okay? So I hope you make this delicious salad. So they might have a tool better than this on the market. Let me know about that because I have been using my scissors for the longest time. So, all right, let me give you the ingredients that's on this plate, okay? The ingredients that's on this plate here, I have 1 cup of celery. I have 1 cup of onions. I have 1 cup of raisins in this cup here. I'm soaking them and I'm gonna drain the water off of them. I have 1 cup of mayo I'm gonna add. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano. It's right there. I think thyme is over here, okay. 1 teaspoon sea salt, I decided to put 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So let me get that going, okay? Okay, let me add everything in the bowl here. So all the onions, salt, and everything is going in. Now this is a really easy recipe. You can make this after you get off from work. Make it on the weekend as a snack. Or it could be your dinner where you make some sandwiches and add some lettuce and tomatoes on the sandwich. That'll be delicious. So let me add the lemon juice. That's going to be 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. That's about enough. Let me get the mayo in the bowl here. I'm going to use the larger end of the spatula. There it goes in. Okay. Mix that up. Smells good. Looks good too. And let me drain the raisins so I can add them to the bowl. They are nice and soft. Let me show you what they look like. You want to soak them. Okay, and since I have some walnuts left over, I usually add walnuts, but I didn't mention that earlier because I have to check to see how much I have before I add them here. So let me get the walnuts, okay? This is what I have, which is not very much. I'm gonna go ahead and crush them and add them to the salad. I would say it's probably a couple of walnuts. I'm just crushing them with my finger. You can also add them to a bag and crush them up that way if you like. But when I'm cooking, I like to cook fast. I don't like to use a lot of things that I don't want to waste your time because I know your time is very valuable, especially if you have a full-time job. I have done that, and I try to get food on the table right away, okay? And my grandkids out there listening to me, hello, babies. I can't wait to see you guys in July. Love you guys. Okay, so you want to mix it really, really good. So everything is incorporated in this recipe. Like I said, very beautiful salad. Very beautiful. And tastes amazing. So you have to try this. You won't be disappointed. Okay, let me taste it. I'm gonna just taste the mayo just see if it's enough salt in it. Oh, it's right on point. Let me rinse this off so I can mix it a little bit more. That is really good. And let me get a plate so I can plate it, and I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator. That might be a little too small. I better get another bowl. I was gonna use that one, but let me get another one. Okay. Now I'm gonna plate it, and I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so before I fix Bill a sandwich. This should last him a couple days. That looks amazing. Okay, let me get some pictures before I place it in the refrigerator. Let me clean up my workstation. Okay, it's the afternoon, and I'm getting ready to prepare some sandwiches for Bill. Okay, he loves cheese on his sandwich, so that's what I'm going to add to it. You don't have to add cheese to yours if you don't want to. But that's what I'm going to add to his sandwich. One slice. Okay, I had to take it out of the container. I had to take the chicken salad out of the container, that beautiful container I had, to fit it in the refrigerator. You know how that goes. Okay, so I don't want to fill it too high, because otherwise it's going to fall out of this sandwich. So let me do the other one. Those are beautiful sandwiches for the video. Okay.